Today, I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 in 30 days wholesaling real estate. If you want to learn the easiest way to get into real estate without needing any money, without any experience, and without working more than 10 hours a week, then this is going to be the most helpful video you ever watch. Because the truth is, when it comes to real estate, most people really struggle with figuring out how to start without $100,000 sitting in their bank account. And the reason is you don't have a system for finding deals, connecting with buyers, and actually getting paid quickly. Now, I've closed more than $3 million worth of profit from wholesale real estate deals with an average assignment fee of just under $20,000 per deal. And it turns out the most successful wholesalers are all using the exact same 3-step process to make money in 30 days or less. So pay attention, because if you follow the system, you're gonna make a heck of a lot more money than $10,000. And trust me when I say this, nobody else has broken down this process for free in the way you're about to hear. Before we jump into the 3 steps, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, so for those of you that don't know the business model, I'm gonna quickly break it down before jumping into the exact steps you need to follow to make your first $10,000 in 30 days. Real estate wholesaling turns you into a connector. You find property owners who need to sell fast, you get their property under contract at below market price, then you find an investor who actually wants to buy it, and the investor pays you a fee for bringing them the deal. So for example, you find a distressed property worth $550,000 after repairs. The owner needs out and they agree to sell it to you for $400,000, and you lock it up with a contract for you to buy it. But then during your inspection period, you find an investor who agrees to pay $420,000 for your contract. So at closing, the investor wires $420,000 to a title company. The title company sends $400K to the seller, and you get the difference of $20,000. That's your assignment fee, and you made it without ever owning the property. You're essentially drop shipping a house. Compare that to traditional flipping, where you need financing, contractors, months of renovation, realtor fees, and you're waiting 4 to 6 months just hoping everything goes right. With wholesaling, you find it, connect it, and collect your fee. Most deals close in 30 to 45 days. The business works because these investors need deal flow. House flippers and rental property buyers will gladly pay you to bring them below market properties that they didn't have to spend any time finding. Now here's the best part. You do not need to be a real estate expert. You don't need to estimate repair costs perfectly. You don't need a license. You just connect motivated sellers with cash buyers. All right, so now that that's out of the way, let's get into the actual 3 steps. Step 1 is finding and locking up a property that actually has enough margin for everyone to profit. And this is exactly how you can do it in less than 2 weeks. Your goal for your first 14 days is getting one property under contract that has room for your $10,000 fee plus profit for your end buyer. Without a deal under contract, you're just talking, networking, procrastinate. Getting the property under contract is where the money is made. You could have the perfect buyer relationships, but if you never lock up a property, you're never gonna get that assignment fee. Now, I'm gonna teach you 3 ways to find these properties. You need to pick one right now, and you need to commit to it for the first 2 weeks. The first method is using virtualflipleads.com. This website uses an AI algorithm to analyze every single off-market property in any city in the US and will rank them based on the likelihood to sell to a wholesaler. You just need to search the name of the city that you want to wholesale in, you select off-market, then select sell score and drag the slider to 100%. Then you're gonna save that list and you're gonna have the phone number for all the owners of every single property on the list. You'll call them up and let them know you're looking to invest in real estate in their area, you came across their property, and you were wondering if they'd be interested in getting a cash offer for it. If they are, you need to make them a low-ball cash offer. Now, when you're first starting out, don't stress so much about getting super accurate numbers here unless you have a mentor that's helping you out. Instead, just take the estimated value on Virtual Flip Leads and offer them 60% of that number. If you make 5 to 10 offers daily on these properties, that's gonna get you where you wanna go. Most people are gonna say no. Some are gonna laugh at your lowball offer. That's absolutely expected. You just need to realize you only need one yes in those 2 weeks. The second method is utilizing free online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or Zillow for sale by owner. You just search for houses that are on these websites that are already listed for sale without a realtor, and you follow the same steps as method 1. You tell them you're looking to invest in their area and you want to make them a cash offer them 60% of the Zestimate for the property, and go get one under contract. This strategy actually works really well because it doesn't cost any money and there's absolutely a lot of low-hanging fruit on those websites. Method 3 is direct marketing to motivated sellers using online advertising like Meta ads or Google PPC. You can pay Google or Facebook or Instagram to run ads saying you're looking to buy houses as is in any condition where you'll pay all the closing costs. And you can make sure that these ads only target people in specific areas. Now, this is a much more advanced strategy, and it is far and away the most costly of the three, but it works incredibly well if you're able to make the investment. You will need to design ads and create a landing page to route the leads to that's going to collect their contact information and all the property information. When leads are submitted, you call them right away and you make them the cash offer. It's very important you don't try all three at once. You're going to spread yourself too thin and none of them are going to work well. Whichever one you choose, make your calls every single day for 2 weeks before you switch methods. Commit to one plan. You need properties where the seller is motivated enough to accept a price that leaves room for everyone. Once you have the deal under contract, you're ready to move to step 2, which is going to be to actually build your buyers list. Day 14 through 21, your mission is getting 5 active cash buyers who are ready to go look at your deal. And this is where most people mess up. You see, people try to find buyers first, but they don't actually have anything to offer them. And you need to realize these cash buyers are serious people, right? They don't want to waste their time talking to a beginner who has nothing but empty promises. But when you call them up and you already have the deal under contract, they're going to take you seriously and they're going to do everything in their power to get on your list. You see, we're going to flip the script. You're going to go find an excellent real estate deal, and when you get it, you're going to be able to build a buyer's list incredibly easy. That's going to make closing your 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 10th deals so much easier. The first place you're going to want to start is with Facebook investor groups. Go join every single one in the area of the property and look for people that are posting about recent purchases or asking for deals. You should be messaging over 100 investors in your first week. And here's how you're going to present your deal to them like a pro. By this, I mean your message needs to cut right to the chase and only include the most important information that the cash buyer is going to care about. Something like, hey John, I see that you purchased a property in X Facebook group. I have a 3-bed, 2-bath property that's worth X and I'm selling for Y. I know I'm selling this one with a lot of meat on the bone and it's going to move quick. Would you be interested in taking a look? This is going to make the buyers realize that you know what you're doing and aren't just some time waster, which in turn is going to make selling your deal for top dollar so much easier because you're going to create bidding wars where cash buyers are all bidding each other up. Second, you want to utilize virtual flip leads again. Okay, on virtual flip leads, you can find all the pro real estate investors in any city in seconds. All you have to do is go search the city, go to filters, select the cash buyer section, filter it by cash buyers, yes, who bought in the last year, who own a minimum of 3 other properties. This is going to generate a list of every single serious investor in that city, and you can begin calling and pitching your deal. Third, follow real estate content on Instagram, and the algorithm is going to start showing you local investors. If you spend 30 minutes daily reaching out to them, ask about their buying criteria and their typical price range. While you're doing this, create a spreadsheet and you want to track every single buyer's name, their phone number, what types of properties they want, how much they typically pay. When somebody tells you that they paid $350 for their last flip, make sure you write that down because you now know they're going to probably be buying deals in a similar range. Look, this isn't complicated. It's just having conversations, taking notes, and being interested in them. And by day 21, you should have like 15 or so new connections with at least 5 really good VIP buyers that you can use in the future. And this is the groundwork that's going to let you close deals super fast in the future without having to waste time looking for buyers. But this comes to the fun part, because this is the sprint to the finish line where you actually get paid. Because step 3 is assigning your contract and actually getting that assignment fee. You have a property locked up and you got buyers ready. Now you're executing the final steps to collect your $10,000 or even $20,000 check. And a lot of new wholesalers do everything right up to this point, and then they fumble because they don't understand how to actually structure the assignment or work with the title company. And you're about to learn that exact process. You're going to use a purchase agreement that includes an assignment clause. This lets you transfer your rights to another buyer. Most standard real estate contracts already have this language built in. When you first lock up the property with the seller, set your closing date to be 30 or 35 days out. This is going to give you time to find your buyer while staying in your goal timeline. Calculate your numbers so that everybody profits and you actually hit your target. And the second you lock up that property, you need to execute on the plan to build your buyer's list. Right? Photos, address, your asking price, closing date. First buyer who commits gets the deal. Have them sign your assignment agreement and immediately send everything to the title company. make sure that you contact a title company that actually works with wholesalers. All right, they exist in every market. You're going to send them the 2 documents: your original purchase agreement with the seller and the assignment agreement you have with the buyer. The buyer is going to arrange their financing and wire the full amount to the title company, typically 2 days before closing day. On closing day, your assignment fee hits your account within 24 hours of closing. Don't try to handle the closing yourself to save a few $100. You're going to create liability issues, you're going to mess up the documentation, and you'll probably kill the entire deal. Let professionals handle the legal side. Now, if you want my exact cold calling scripts, my contract templates, investor databases I've used to close $3 million worth of real estate wholesale deals, I actually dedicated an entire video on my channel breaking down each step you need to make $50K a month as a wholesaler. And it's completely free. All you have to do is click right here to watch it now. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment value that you got down from it below, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the future. And again, if you haven't, go watch the video, sub to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one.